So you have just decided to buy your new, not so new 2006 Mark 8 Honda Civic, and you've noticed a problem with the clutch. So you've come onto YouTube to check this video on how to bleed it. What you're going to need for this is an easy bleed kit, which is about £28, a copy or a replacement clutch fluid reservoir, and some clutch fluid, whatever spec your car takes. With that, what you're going to do is you're going to take your reservoir, and then you are going to put a hole in the top, just in the lid. You just need the lid, you don't need the rest of it. It's only the lid. It's really stupid. And then you shall basically drill a hole that matches the size of your easy bleed kit. So this little thing down here, you're going to want to match that. It has washers, and you just want to be able to fit that on, tighten it, put the washers, basically make it the same size as these caps right here. A nylon glove or something to make a better seal or stuff like that. Maybe even take one of these caps and take them off and then cut it, trim it to size. Take that and you put a tube in it, and that is going to create a closed system. And then after you've done that and you have your easy bleed kit connected, what you will do is you will fill this full of your clutch fluid. There we go, it goes in there like that. You'll attach that to your clutch fluid reservoir with a hole in it with a tube. You'll attach that to your clutch fluid reservoir and you'll have a complete system. Then you will pressurize the system by connecting the air hose to a spare tire. That shouldn't be above 20 psi or you might mess up the tubes inside your hydraulic system. And then once that's all done, what you're going to want to do, locate your slave cylinder, which is located here just in front of the engine, and you're going to want to take the cap off. So you take the cap off, and then you take a spanner, I think it's a 10mm, and you'll open your bleed valve, and you'll basically put like a bucket, not a bucket, but like a tube or something to catch the old brake clutch fluid. You'll open that bleed nipple, and then all that old clutch fluid is going to come pouring out, and maybe after like 5 seconds or so, read the easy bleed instructions, close that valve, detach everything. Your clutch reservoir should be nice and topped up. You might have to drain a little bit to make sure it's not at the max, and you should have a functioning clutch. And that is the easiest way to bleed your Honda Civic clutch, and I would know because I tried every other way and it is bollocks. So thanks for watching the video. I really hope this helped you. If it did help you, leave in the comments how long it took you to do, because mine took me like a week and a bunch of trial and error. This is the best way to do it, hands down. It's the only way I managed to be able to do it, and I know nothing about cars. If you're listening to me about this, you're listening to someone who's probably got the same experience as you. If you did enjoy the video, please like, subscribe. I don't know how much car content I'll do, but if you like my energy, stick around. Cheers. Bye.